What is up, YouTube? It's Tyler with Taz Outdoors, and today this is part 2 of the Long Beach video. We're hitting the Breakwall, so we're heading there, and then we're gonna hit some pilings afterwards, catch some awesome fish. Hope you enjoy the video. I want the third time because he wrecked it.
Come here, buddy.
No, piss off. That's mine. That's mine. Oh, that sounds good. Whew.
What?
My reel sounded like it was about to fall off. Cheap reel, dude. It sounded like the expensive ones, but dude, I got this thing for 20 bucks. Oh yeah.
Got him?
Yep.
Nice.
Solid fish. There he is. Yeah, good one.
Nice, calico.
Be reward for the hit. That was a good one. No, chill. Alright, there we go.
Whoa.
Nice, like 13, 14 inch calico. Dude, they do, don't they? That's what it is. Ah! I overdid the boat flip there. Alright, there's number 10. Come on! Ambitious little dude. This is a small bait, or a big bait. There you go, little dude. See ya.
Then just like get stuck in it. Oh! Got him?
I think so. I don't know if, let's see.
Please tell me you got one at least. Fucking from here. Feels like it, right?
Yeah!
Hey, little thing.
It's a tank!
I told you on the tube bait on.
Yep. Oh,
Whoa.
self-release. Oh, dude, that is.
Look at you lipping it off. Fucking.
Oh! He slammed it. He felt big at first. Yeah, he's not small. Oh, dang. Actually, that's a... Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
What?
That's a big cow. That'll be my PB, guaranteed. I went to reach for the net. Oh, I thought I was just kelped. Ah, let's go. There we go. Fish number a lot. Ah. Hey, it's light line. Picked up a ride home. Gonna hit the pilings, catch some more. We'll see how it goes. Hey! There we go. Like 16 inches.
Probably what, like 14?
He's like 15 and a half.
Nice.
Hey, first time. I wasn't recording because I literally dropped straight down, but that's sick.
There we go.
Hey.
Nice.
There we go. Yep. Dropped right on the mark, baby. Woo-hoo! Oh! Bro! Dude, I caught a rockfish. Yeah. Alright, there he goes. Little rockfish. Yeet. That could have been fish tacos right there if I felt like a murderer today. There we go. Alright, number a lot. That was sketchy. Eat. Bro! Yeah? I caught 3. Dude, it's another rockfish. It's a rockfish. A bigger rockfish, but it was a rockfish. There. It's almost too easy. Another one. Yeah. This is a bass though. Huh? Or he's wrapping and stuff. No, it's a saltfish. Let's go. There we go. So I've had an awesome day on the water so far. I caught probably 30 fish. Probably at least 20 fish. But we're gonna troll out now. I just snapped off my 4th hookup bait of the day, so kind of rough there, but I slayed some fish. So let's see if we can get one on the way out. Alright, so I had a great time at Long Beach. Caught some great fish, lost my PB. Caught a halibut, which I hadn't caught in a while. So just happy to be back on the water. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.